Here is an easy affiliate system that earns 50% commission. You can make up to $98 per sale. Not only that, but you will be getting also the done for you funnel pages included in the package to offer your prospects a free traffic report to build your own email list and earn 50% commission throughout the funnel. These are the funnel products. This is your affiliate funnel that you will be getting, and these are your potential commissions that you will earn when you start promoting the system. So please keep in mind that you will be building your own email list on LeadsLeap. You will be offering your prospects a high quality report and also potentially making good affiliate commissions. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the system, but first let me show you how it works. So this is how your affiliate funnel will look like. You'll be able to instantly import this capture page and this thank you page here, and you will be able also to import the follow-up email series. So in a few minutes you will be set up and ready to go. You will be sending traffic to your capture page. Everyone that opts in on this capture page will be added to your email list on LeadsLeap, and we will deliver the report on the thank you page. This is the download button at the bottom of the thank you page. This video here is the one that you are watching right now, and these are 3 traffic opportunities that will make you more affiliate commissions. So you can promote them here on the thank you page and or on the capture page. You can of course remove these 3 buttons here if you don't want to do that, but I prefer keeping them. Chances are that people will click here and become my referrals on these 3 opportunities here. But anyways, the whole funnel is about generating affiliate traffic, so your prospects will be exposed to these opportunities in the capture page or in the thank you page. This funnel is optimized to make you commissions because every time someone opts in from this page, 2 main things will happen. The first thing is that he will be added to your email list and sent in a welcome email that sends him to the thank you page where the good things can happen. And in the same time, the second thing that will happen is that you will be sent instantly to the bridge page, which is your affiliate link for the entire funnel, where you can make up to $98 per sale. If they don't purchase here, chances are that they will purchase in this button here, from this button here, when they watch the training and discover what is this all about. In addition to that, you will be promoting on the back end on your thank you page these 3 high converting traffic programs that will allow you to earn more commissions, and actually recurring commissions in the case of program 2 and program 3, and also more traffic with the program number 1. So after setting up your own funnel on your own LeadsLeap account, all you have to do is send traffic to your capture page, build your list, and make commissions. So this is a live copy of the compelling capture page that you will be getting. It has the 3 programs that we will be promoting on the back end at the bottom here, and this is a live copy of the thank you page that you will be getting as well. So this is the video that you are watching right now. This button is very important because your prospects will be able to upgrade from this button here, and you want to plug in your affiliate link for the entire system on this button here. So you click on this link here, you go get your affiliate link, and then you come back and you plug it to this button so that anyone who upgrades from this button makes you commissions. So at the bottom we'll be given the 3 programs to generate affiliate traffic, and here your prospects will be able to download their ebook or report. So if I click on this button here, they will be of course able to access it. Now here are the main steps that you need to do to duplicate this affiliate funnel. First, you have to create a list on your LeadsLeap account. You import the capture page and the thank you page. You attach the capture page to the list. You attach the thank you page to the list. You import the follow-up email series, and finally you rebrand your thank you page with your own affiliate links. So the first thing you want to do is create a brand new email list on your LeadsLeap account, and for that you need to go to List Manager at the left hand side, click on it, and you will see this button here, add a new list. Click on it, give it a name, and you will be at this form here to complete the activation of the list. So give it a name, traffic Q&A for example, and here where it says redirect URL after verification, we will be putting your copy of the thank you page right here. We will be back later to plug it here, and then you put your name, your email address, the verification code for that email address, and also your business address, and at the bottom here click save and activate. Second thing you want to do is import the capture page and the thank you page, and for that you go to Page Manager at the left hand side, click on it, you will see the button add new page, click on it and give it a name. Let me call it capture page traffic Q&A, and then click add now. Now this is a page, so instead of creating it yourself, you just import it using a share code. So I'm going to click on this button, add a new design, and then I will paste the share code here and import the page. I just did that, and the page is created now. As you can see, it's not linked to any list yet. We will attach it later, but now let's go ahead and click on Launch Editor to see what is inside the capture page. And as I told you before, what you can do is that you can remove these three buttons here if you'd like to. Just keep general information about the opportunities and remove these buttons here, and after that you will have to attach this capture page to the list. So what you need to do is click here on where it says invalid ID, click on it, and then click on get ID, and then you want to select the right list, traffic Q&A. And here on this spot here, you want to put your affiliate link for the entire system. It says here redirect URL immediately after opt-in. So you want them to go to your affiliate link immediately after they opt in to your list from your capture page. Very important to save the information after what you did. So now you have your capture page ready to go. Actually, if you want to keep the buttons at the bottom here, you just plug in your affiliate links for the three programs on the buttons. Now let's go ahead and import the second page, the thank you page. Let me call it TY Traffic Q&A, and then click add now. And as usual, we click add new design to start, and then we paste the share code for the thank you page right here and click import. I did that, and here is the thank you page imported. This is the link for the thank you page. If I click on it, I will see my own thank you page as you see here, and this link here actually I need it, so this is the link I want to use to attach the thank you page to my list previously created. So let's copy this link and go back here, go to List Manager, and remember when I told you that we need to plug in our thank you page URL here on this spot. So your prospects, when they click on the verification email, they will be brought to your thank you page. So remove this, and I will paste my thank you page right here. I mean your copy of the thank you page, and of course don't forget to save the changes. And now we are going to import the follow-up email series for a week, 7 days, including the welcome email. So what you need to do is click on these two envelopes here, and then click the button import. It will ask you for the share code. Of course, you put the share code here, and then click replace all existing episodes, and click include the welcome email if available, and then you just click import. As soon as you click import, another pop-up will ask you to enter your first name. It will replace my first name on the signature of the emails, and it will ask you, very important, for your thank you page URL, the one that we just used. You put it also here. Why? Because we want our follow-up email series to send back our subscribers to the thank you page every day for 7 days. So people usually don't buy from the first day, so they need to be exposed to that opportunity multiple times so that they decide to upgrade. So keep in mind that every email on the follow-up series will send your prospect, your subscribers, back to your copy of the thank you page. This is how the follow-up email series will look like once imported, and inside of each one of these emails there is your signature and your copy of the thank you page URL. And finally, the last thing you want to do is rebrand your thank you page with your own affiliate link. So let me click on Launch Editor here. While it's launching, we prepare all our affiliate links, and here on this button you want to put your affiliate link for the entire funnel. So if you go to your thank you page, you click on this link here, you will see the JV page, and then you just request approval on this button that will be here, and then you will be able to copy your affiliate link, go back to the editor, click the button, and you paste your affiliate link right here. Then you do the same thing for the 3 traffic programs here. So you plug in your affiliate link here for the program 1, program 2, and program 3, and don't forget to save any changes you make on your thank you page. For the delivery of the report, it is already attached to this button here. I mean, the report does not have any links inside of it, but if you want to put your own copy of the report, if you want to add links inside the report, so you want to attach this button to your own copy of the report. Now your funnel is completely set up, and if anyone clicks on this button here, you will be taken to the sales page that will make you commissions, so people can purchase the front end, and they also can purchase the one-time offers, which will make you up to $98. So thank you very much for making it so far. I wish you good luck, and I will see you on the next video.